Hi, it's Anne with the latest vision from Riverbend Agnes Water. As you can see, we've got houses well underway. One of the most common questions I'm asked is about exit fees. May I stress, there are no exit or entry fees at Riverbend. Should time come to sell, you're free to use the agent of your choice, and all proceeds are yours. Riverbend values transparency, and I will always answer your questions clearly and candidly. It's just one of the reasons that I'm proud to represent this resort. Come visit and see for yourself.